Weather Service in Little Rock has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for north central Saline County and central Arkansas, central Pulaski County and central Arkansas, until 5:15 a.m. At 4:23 a.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over West Little Rock, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and half-dollar size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Little Rock, North Little Rock, Sherwood, Jacksonville, West Little Rock, Maumelle, Downtown Little Rock, Southwest Little Rock, North Little Rock Airport, Little Rock Air Force Base, Argenta, Burns Park, Gravel Ridge, Marshy, Chenal Valley, Oak Grove in Pulaski County, Pinnacle Mountain State Park, Groville Junction, Gibson, Sweet Home. Radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Heber Springs, Clinton, Fairfield Bay, Greers Ferry, Chile, Higdon, Fairfield Bay Marina, Sugarloaf Recreation Area, Choctaw, Edgemont, Parma, Prim, Luber, Hill Creek Recreation Area, Brownsville, Culpeper, South Fork Recreation Area, Narrows Marina, Crabtree, Brewer.
The National Weather Service in Little Rock has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Stone County in north central Arkansas, southwestern Independence County in north central Arkansas, northern Cleburne County in north central Arkansas, until 1:30 p.m. At 12:39 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles northeast of Greers Ferry, or 9 miles north of Heber Springs, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Batesville, Greers Ferry, Pleasant Plains, Concord, Bethesda, Bend, Almond, Prim, Marcella, Duche, Hill Creek Recreation Area, Ida, Brownsville, Wilkers Grove, Drasco, Hutchinson, Wolf Bayou, Woodrow. National Weather Service in Shreveport has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for DeSoto Parish in northwestern Louisiana, Red River Parish in northwestern Louisiana, southeastern Caddo Parish in northwestern Louisiana, southwestern Bienville Parish in northwestern Louisiana, southeastern Bossier Parish in northwestern Louisiana, northwestern Sabine Parish in northwestern Louisiana, southeastern Panola County in northeastern Texas, Shelby County in eastern Texas, until 3:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 2:25 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 10 miles west of Ringgold to 9 miles northeast of Logansport to near Timpson, moving southeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Center, Mansfield, Deschetta, Logansport, Ringgold, Kanawha, Timpson, Joaquin, Converse, Shelbyville, Bertrand, Newville, Oak Road, Pleasant Hill, Martin, Huxley, South Mansfield, Hall Summit, Keachie, and Ashland. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following parishes in Louisiana: Bienville, Bossier, Caddo, DeSoto, Red River, and Sabine, and the following counties in Texas: Panola and Shelby. The National Weather Service in Shreveport has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Red River Parish in northwestern Louisiana, Natchitoches Parish in northwestern Louisiana, Sabine Parish in northwestern Louisiana, southeastern Shelby County in eastern Texas, central Sabine County in eastern Texas, until 4:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 3:25 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 17 miles southeast of Ringgold to 10 miles northeast of Zwolle to near Bertrand, moving southeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Natchitoches, Milam, Manis, Zwolle, Campty, Converse, Bertrand, Allen, Oak Grove, Pleasant Hill, Florian, Provençal, Natchez, Martin, Clarence, Goldona, Ashland, Noble, Fisher, and Grobeline. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following parishes in Louisiana: Natchitoches, Red River, and Sabine, and the following counties in Texas: Sabine and Shelby. The National Weather Service in Jackson has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Holmes County in central Mississippi, Yazoo County in central Mississippi, northeastern Madison County in central Mississippi, until 5:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:59 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Benton, or near Yazoo City, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Vaughn and Ebenezer around 5:25 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Pickens around 5:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Cameron around 5:40 p.m. Central Daylight Time. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.